When people talk about Chinese tofu dishes, everyone thinks of Mapo tofu first. But there's another one that's also popular: tomato braised tofu. Soft tofu, juicy tomato, and that umami pork flavor. It's simple, but it hits all the right notes. It's not spicy, so it's perfect for the whole family. Alright, let's get everything ready. There are two types of tofu, traditional one and smooth one. We're using the smooth one because it's silky and just melts in your mouth. Cut it into small cubes. Now make a little cross cut on the tomato skin. Boil some water and drop the tomato in for about 1 minute. Then peel off the skin, super easy. Add some salt into the boiling water and blanch the tofu for 2 minutes. This helps remove that strong bean taste. Next, chop the green onion, mince the ginger and garlic, and cut the tomato into small cubes. Let's mix up a cornstarch slurry. Time to cook. Heat some oil, toss in the ginger and garlic, and stir fry until fragrant. Then add the pork and cook until it changes color. Pour in some water. Once it starts boiling, add salt, chicken powder, and pepper. Now toss in the tofu and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Add in the tomatoes, then pour the starch slurry in twice. It already smells amazing. A little sweet, savory, and tangy. Finally, sprinkle some green onions, and that's it. Serve it with a bowl of rice, and honestly, that's all you need. Have a try? Tell me your favorite way to cook tofu in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.